Hey guys, sorry about the plane. So I wanna teach you how to do a hack on Pokemon Go to get a joystick. You just need to fly GPS. I'll show you where it is at the App Store, and you just have to type in. You just have to type in. FLYGPS. Then it comes up in a different language. There you go. And press install right here, wherever it is, and you just have to go to there. And you just have to pick your location. I picked mine in New York because it has all of the pool. It has a lot of things in it. So you just press. Service will start. You just press where on top of you just tap on top of the red pointer, and then you press GPS service run, then joystick location mode Pokemon Go. There you go. You get the joystick. And right here, above the joystick is a fly GPS to change your location. Just press that. Just press that whenever you want to change it, and it will go there back. So then, if you have Pokemon Go, you can go to it. Then it works. Then you should go to Pokemon Go and load it, and it works. So goodbye.